Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile. Here's another groove that I just want to show. It's played in a shona style, where the shona style is identified by the way they pick notes and they play notes in a rhythm, okay, as opposed to chords. So this is the thing. They just create a melody around a chord and then solo over it and put bass on over it. So here's a typical kind of shona riff, and I'm gonna put bass on it, and the bass is kind of following the song, so that you negotiate with the song. Wherever the song goes, you turn around and so on. So this is how you form the bass for this kind of song. Okay. Oh, thank you very much. This is the groove, and it's a shona type of groove, and the bass is just accompanying and following the song as it goes on. If the song changes, the groove, the bass groove just changes with it, goes, and occasionally puts some kind of changes to break the monotony, and it tends to explore a wider area of the fretboard as well. And this is the triad formation. There's no doubt about it. You can hear the triad being played in there. So it's the major triad. So it's one of the grooves. So let's look at it in a bit more detailed. So if you studio one here, you can check it out. This is This is your you can check. This is your E, and that's a flat there, E flat or D sharp if you want. So it goes like that. So it's that triad there. So the way I'm playing is playing the root, then third, then the fourth. Then from the third, from that fourth, I form another triad. Then back to the root, playing that thread. Now this time, the second time around, it plays the root, third, and fifth. And I can either go to the fifth here or to the fifth up there. The fifth, or if I come from here. Then the fifth here. The fifth plays the same, which is the root, its root, third, fifth, and fourth. Okay, of the root. The fourth of the fifth is the the actual root of the song. Okay, which is that one. In regards to that triad, this would be a fourth. Okay. So there's a way of looking at these chords which I will have to explain in the theory part of it, because when we talk about the root and the third and so forth, it's kind of confusing sometimes. But if you know what you're talking about, because you can go to a chord and the chord is the fourth of a scale, but it's in that chord, the root of that chord is that fourth, and you have to be dealing with the scale, say the major scale for that root. From that root, if I'm talking about C, let's say I'm talking about G major scale, and the fourth of G is C. That C major exists in the C major scale. So that C major chord exists in the C major scale. So when I'm talking about its root, which means the fourth is root, is C itself, and it's also got a fourth. So that's a bit confusing. So I will expound this in some later lessons so that you may see what I'm talking about. Sometimes it gets confusing when I'm talking about the fourth and so on. So here's the song. So you're going to if you look at that, this is let's say from G, from E flat. That's the second there. Then there's another root. If you take a note of this, is another. So you're actually on the second here. So that there is very important, the root and the second. It's very useful in the bass because you can play it, you can actually play it, root, bass, root, bass, root, bass, and then, root, second, root, second, root, second, and then you go to an octave, like that. You can also play this one here, which is if you do, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 5 and 6. I'll do a groove with that. You could hear that groove there. So you can also put that as a variation, but mainly. So that's a variation there. It's nice to be in there because it introduces the 60 here. Sorry. Let's end on the root there. So that's the cool thing about it. This is fifth and sixth, fifth. Back to the root. The one that I've just used, I use in the song is it just goes a little bit up, takes the sound a little bit up, and you resolve it. It's like you want to climb the scale up the scale, and then you suddenly resolve it to the root. That's what I'm doing. Now with the fifth is actually yearning for the seventh. So, but however you resolve it back on the root. Okay. So this is the idea of this song, of this groove here. Thank you very much for watching. If you have more questions, please ask. There are lots of things to explain on grooves, but we just give the skeletal explanation so that you can grab it and use it and be able to change it and thoroughly look at it on your own. My name is Vikile. I'll meet you in the next groove. Cheers.